If you like this video and want to see more, then please subscribe to the channel. Following the removal of the suspension for refurbishment, I had a look at some areas underneath the wheel arch to see if there's any corrosion, and as you can see, something that isn't shock, this area here has given way, so we need to cut it out and weld in some new plates. There's some light surface corrosion in other areas that can be cleaned up and re-protected. The passenger side is nowhere near as bad. Corrosion is very light. This has gone through slightly, so it does need the same sort of treatment. So it's obviously corroded behind. So I'm going to deal with that today. Even underneath it's not too bad. This obviously needs a bit of a tidy up. Okay. So let's take the axle stand out. As you can see, I've had to drop the subframe on mine because I've got a little bit of rust, quite a bit of rust, which I've cut out and I'm going to re-weld. There's some elements of corrosion around here as well that I've treated as just light surface corrosion, so I'm not too worried about that at this stage. I've treated everything under here and wax oiled it again. Had a little bit of welding done here as well. The frame inside is all wax oiled now too, so hopefully that's going to reduce the amount of corrosion in future. At least give me quite a few more years before any major repairs need to be done. The other side is done the same. So I need to clean up the corrosion, I think, on the steering rack.